Hey everyone, it's Jeff from Sunland Water Gardens. Today I want to show you how to replace the impeller out of the Laguna maxflow pumps. These are the cage pumps, and I want to show you how to open it up, put it all back together, so it'll be real easy for you to do that if you need to. Alright, so I'll show you how to do that now. Laguna pump is obviously it's in a nice big cage like this, and what we will first want to do is there's going to be 4 screws. These little yellow screws. Want to do about a quarter turn. They kind of pop up. They have like a spring underneath them. So there's 4 of the screws. Go ahead and after you get the 4 screws loosen, the top lid pops off. Easy. And that exposes the pump. There's a little wire connector holder that pops right off. Take that off so the wire is loose. And the whole pump just comes out. Alright, okay, so once the pump is out, there's 3 screws. You need a Phillips screwdriver. Take the 3 screws off. Okay, and the volute should come right off. So this is what the volute looks like. It's just the covering for the impeller, and that exposes the actual impeller. It's a magnetic impeller, so it should just pop off. So just pull it straight out, and you can see there it's just a magnet. And on the inside, let me show them on the inside. You can see down here, there's a little bushing down there. Now when you buy a kit, new rebuild kit for these, it should have the impeller and the tools. So let's take a look at that. So in the kit you have a new impeller, and it comes with this little tool, and the tool is going to be used to take that little bushing out. So you can kind of see down below there's a little notch on the side. It just easily pops apart. You got a little bushing and O-ring that'll pop out. Okay, and the kit comes with a new bushing. It comes with a little applicator. So what you're going to do is replace that bushing, and the applicator should pop right out. There you go. Okay. Now when you have the new impeller, is you can see a little peg at the bottom that's going to fit right into the bushing, and it's also got these 3 tabs that are going to fit into place, and it's going to pull right in and easy. Okay, and now we just replace the volute. Make sure you don't lose any of the screws. That's what it looks like inside. Just line up the holes. The 3 screws should only go on one way. There you go. Okay. So if you use a power tool, just make sure you have it set so it won't crack the plastic. Goes a little bit faster when you have a power tool, but definitely can use just a screwdriver. Make sure they're all nice and tight. And then of course we want to put it back into its cage. And if you remember how it goes back in, we've got the cord that comes out there, and the exit coming out on the groove right there. Okay, so it just sits right back into place. Put your little clamp or little holder for the cord back into place, and then we're going to attach the top. And now we're just going to go the opposite direction, push down and about a quarter turn the opposite direction, and it will connect the basket securely back into place, and that'll do it. So that's how you replace the impellers out of a Laguna maxflow pump. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching,
Thank you guys.
and I'll see you when you come in.